Hey kids, are you ready for an amazing adventure? Today we are going to learn about birds. Are you excited? Let's go! Wow! Look at this colorful bird. This is a parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T Parrot. Say parrot. Meet the crow. C-R-O-W Crow. Say crow. Whoa! Look at that powerful bird. This is an eagle. E-A-G-L-E Eagle. Say eagle. Here's a duck. D-U-C-K Duck. Say duck. Wow! Look at those bright feathers. This is a peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K Peacock. Say peacock. Who's that? It's an owl. O-W-L Owl. Say owl. Look at this bird near the ocean. It's a gull. G-U-L-L Gull. Say gull. Oh look, it's a pigeon. P-I-G-E-O-N Pigeon. Say pigeon. This big bird is a vulture. V-U-L-T-U-R-E Vulture. Say vulture. Wow! That was so much fun learning the name of birds. If you want to learn more about amazing creatures with us, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.